Now that I've told you about the Best of PFAFF sewing machine needles, I'm going to show you how to put them onto your sewing machine. Now, if you've ever seen this tool in your sewing kit and you've been wondering why you have it, well, now is the time for you to learn the proper way to install and remove a needle from your sewing machine. First thing first, you should never do this while your sewing machine is on, so we're going to turn it off, and then we're going to take a closer look at the needle area. Now, the first thing, I'm putting the foot as low as possible so it's easier to maneuver. I am going to be inserting the tool onto the needle, and only then will I unscrew the needle and it will actually fall and remain on the tool. So it's an easy grab, so then you can take it and store it away. Now we're going to take the new needle and install it. You see how there's a flat area and then the circle? It actually matches up with your needle. So you are going to be positioning the needle in the exact same way. So it's really tucked in, it's tight, and it's perfect. And now you're going to be adding it to the area and then tightening the screw. And you will always want to finish tightening this with the actual screw from your sewing machine. And that's how you change your needle on your PFAFF Passport 2.0 sewing machine.